In this video, I'll show you how to hide participants in Google Meet. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. In Google Meet, hide participants can mean a few different things. Google currently lets you hide the people panel, reduce how much space participant tiles take up by changing the layout, pin the presentation so it stays front and center, and in some cases, hide participants who have their video turned off. But there is not a single universal button that completely removes every participant tile from the meeting view in all situations. First, let's look at the easiest option, which is hiding the people panel. If the participant list is open on the right side of your screen, click the people icon again to close it. Google Meet also supports a keyboard shortcut to show or hide participants, which is Ctrl plus Alt plus P on many setups. That's the fastest way to clear the sidebar and give the meeting more space. Now let's make the participant tiles less distracting. In the meeting, open more options, then go to Change Layout. Google says the auto or dynamic layout is designed to focus on what matters most and adapt the tile view based on things like the size of your window, the number of people in the call, and whether someone is presenting. So if you want a cleaner view, changing the layout is usually the best next step. If someone is presenting and you want to focus mostly on that presentation, use Pin on the presentation tile. Google says you can pin a participant or a presentation for yourself only, which helps keep the shared screen as the main focus on your display. There is also a useful visibility option in Meet. Google says you can hide participants who have their video turned off. That can make the meeting look much cleaner, especially in larger calls, where many people are joining with cameras off. And if part of the distraction is your own camera preview, Google's Meet Layout Help says you can switch your self-view. Style, including floating self-view, and Community Guidance also notes you can minimize your self-tile. So the basic idea is simple. Close the People panel, change the layout, pin the presentation, hide non-video participants when available, and minimize your self-view if needed. That's how to hide participants in Google Meet. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.